Welcome back. The French crew of Groupama 3 have arrived back in Dunedin, having recovered almost all of their capsized trimaran. The sailors left Dunedin on Tuesday night, keen to salvage the $16 million yacht before the weather turned bad. Dave Gooselink welcomed them back.
The French crew on board the Clan MacLeod were relieved to finally enter Otago Harbour this afternoon, carrying two broken sections of the mast from their capsized trimaran Groupama 3 and claiming mission accomplished.
It was successful because the boat is now here and safe, so far so good.
They spent 40 hours towing the salvage yacht back to Dunedin, arriving yesterday afternoon. But port authorities wouldn't close the narrow access channel into Otago Harbour used by commercial vessels, forcing them to wait until morning. The crew were keen to berth before the weather deteriorated, concerned that towing it in rough conditions could cause more serious damage to the $16 million yacht. It took a tugboat another 5 hours to tow the Groupama 3 upside down up the harbour. The crew made 3 attempts to flip the capsized trimaran, which had taken on water, but the failed attempts weren't through lack of effort.
We tried it in high gear, lots of black smoke and lots of power, and dragged it sideways at 6 knots, and it still wouldn't right.
The French sailors recovered everything except the mainsail and a small section of the mast, and they were back on a dinghy as soon as their yacht arrived in port with water pumping equipment.
So that's what the boat's coming in now. We're going to go and tie it alongside a barge, and then pump the cross beams. They're full of water at the moment, so we've got to get rid of all the water.
Tomorrow the crew plan to flip the yacht using a crane from the dock. Dave Gooselink.